Good morning mga kapatid. Ayan, ito ang inyong kaibigan Sino?
Yes.
Ito ang inyong kaibigan na si Wonder Z. Ayan, kasama ko ang aking... What's your name?
I'm Jerry.
Ayan, kasama ko si Colon.
Yeah.
Today we are going to...
Open the big box.
Yes, we're gonna open the box.
Yeah,
There
from
you
that
go.
mango.
So this is from a Filipino store online. It's called Sarap Now. Ayan, Sarap Now. So let's... I forgot to bring some. I think we can open it without knife. Ayan. Okay, here we're gonna open some. Okay, let's take this away. Okay. Okay, first we are gonna have sunflower crackers. Ayan, I can remember growing up. This is one of my favorite crackers. Biscuit. Oh, this is a mango flavor. I think this is a new mango flavor. Yeah. Meron tayo. What is this? Sunflower cracker mango flavor.
This one's sweet and nice.
Sweet mantequilla. Sky flakes. Sweet mantequilla. Sky flakes. Jedrick likes the regular sky flakes, so I don't know if he will like this one. And one of my favorite and healthy junk food, cheese ring. Ayan, paborito ko talaga itong cheese ring. Di ba masarap to?
I like those.
Oh, ano to?
Another cracker.
Rosquillas. Ayan, magic melt rosquillas. Magic melt rosquillas. Ayan, mga ano to? Pinoy food, pang snacks.
We got a can for a sweet cow.
Sweet cow. Ayan, first time ko ito siyang nakita na condensed milk. It's sweet condensed milk, OB flavor. Ayan, meron akong dalawang
We
latang.
have more sweet cow.
Ayan, dalawang latang na bili ko.
What is in this
And what is that?
buko pancake?
Buko?
Buko pancake.
No, pan? Dan. Buko? Pandan. Buko pandan.
Yeah, look, it says jelly mix.
Yeah, it's jelly mix. So I have buko pandan jelly mix. I like buko pandan. I think everyone likes buko pandan. So buko pandan. Buko pandan. Okay.
We have something way
What
down
else?
there. A super noodle.
Ayan, of course, ang ating super cute golden bihon. Ayan, masarap ito sa ating bihon.
We got some more cheese.
Ayan, another cheese ring. Ayan, dalawa, tatlo, apat na lang.
We got another one.
More cheese ring.
Yeah,
I think there's
yeah,
more
I'm
cheese
gonna have
ring.
this one. I'm gonna have this cheese one.
Yeah, we need to eat breakfast first. Another cheese rings. I think I have 4 cheese rings.
Yes.
And another golden bihon. Another golden bihon. What is this? Huh?
What?
I have no idea that I ordered a crinkles. I don't remember. Baka libre to. Meron akong ube crinkles.
What is it?
I don't remember that I ordered. Is this free? I don't think na nag-order ako nitong ube crinkles. We'll see. I'll look at it in my... Ah, wala yung ano. Wala yung... I was looking forward for the cookie bat... The Ninong's ube cookie butter. It said it's very delicious. Wala siya. Kaya ang pinadala is ube crinkle ang free ko. Kasi dapat yun ang free ko. But I was looking forward for the butter. That's so unfair. It's okay. Thank you for this. Hopefully next time I can have the butter. Kasi masarap daw.
What is in this big box?
Ayan. Their packaging is very nice. Ayan. So, maganda yung packaging niya. Their cans, yan, siniparate yung candles nila.
Open the whole pack. Oh, look at that.
Ayan, meron tayo
Look, it's the cookie. It's a
sardinas.
555 beans. Look at that.
555. Ayan, meron akong 555 fried sardines with black beans. This is one of my favorite product ng 555 Jedrick. So one of my favorite product ng 555 is the fried sardines with black beans. It's delicious.
Yeah,
So, hindi lang siya regular na sardinas. Ayan, I know. I bought another.
I got something else. The culture.
Ayan, tatlo pala itong nabalik ko ng black beans.
The culture.
Ayan, meron akong...
Mommy, look at that. Look at
Yes. So, meron, ano to? So, fried sardine, escabeche, flavor. Ayan, escabeche fried sardines from 555. At I think I bought bistek, kaya lang siguro wala nang bistek, kaya isa na lang at tatatlo yung nilagay na lucky. So I have one fried sardines from 555.
Okay, what is in
flavor.
this pretty heavy box? What is in this pretty
We're
heavy
gonna do
box?
it later.
Okay, very good.
Ayan. I'm looking forward for this. This is what we're going to eat for breakfast today. Hot cake Obi mix. Ayan. Hot cake mix, Obi flavor, white king. Ayan, dalawang box din ko. We'll see.
Another one?
Ubi flavor. Ayan, first time ko to first time.
Yeah.
I'm very excited for this box.
Yeah, I'm excited to eat this.
And the bibingka mix as well. Bibingka mix. Ayan. Pinoy favorites, bibingka.
Yeah. Is that another?
Oh, that's another buko pandan. Dalawang box na yun.
And another buko pandan?
Oh, hindi pa lang dalawa, tatlo pa lang.
What are these?
Where's the other one? The mango mix. Ayan, meron pa akong it's a gulaman mix of mango flavor. Gulaman mix, mango flavor. Isa lang to kasi wala na last box. Tapos, meron akong isang puto pao. Ayan, puto pao na.
We could put this in the mix. What is this?
So, one of my, one of the product from Pinas na gusto ko is yung, siya, breading mix ng fried chicken. First time ko siya na-try, ang sarap pala. So, meron akong, ilan ba to?
Crispy
I
fries.
have original flavor. How many to? 1, 2, 3.
And look what I have. Crispy
Oh,
fries.
yeah, crispy fry breading mix. I think I have 4. Is it 4? So I have 4 original flavor.
I got another.
And then I have 2 garlic flavor. Maliit lang pala to. Kaya sabi ko pala yung malaking bag. Maliit, kunti lang.
Yeah, I got
So
another.
I have,
cheese.
garlic flavor. And 1.
I got another.
Oh, 6 original. I thought I bought the spicy one as well. So 6 original and 2 garlic flavor. Oh, I have 4 garlic. Meron pa pa. So I have
Okay,
4 garlic at 6 original flavor.
Let's do the box now.
Wait one minute lang. There's one. Meron tayo
Yeah.
calderita. I think this is all calderita, my love. Yeah. So I have 6 calderita mix. Sauce mix. Calderita. Ayun, masarap yung parang 6.
Yeah, let's do this box first. Let's do this.
Ano pa kayong binili ko?
Yeah, we forgot the box open. We forgot these boxes now. What is in?
Ooh, ayan, meron pa.
Chocolate.
Ooh. Ayan, they are doing
Cool.
great sa packaging. Talagang very safe.
Okay, can I have the bubble wrap?
Yan ang ginisang bagoong barrio. Spicy pala to. Nabili ko. Pero masarap pa rin yan. Tapos, I will try this. Ayan, nakapak talaga. Seal na seal. Nilagay pa sa separate bag. Ayan, meron pang box. The Filipino spaghetti sauce. Lulutuin ko today. Stop doing that.
Yeah,
Ayan.
now about the bigger box.
Meron pa, one more box.
Yeah, then we're done opening.
Ano kaya
the big
to?
box. Yeah, we had a whole bunch of stuff in the box. What is in this
Ayan.
box?
I don't know. Nalimutan ko na
Okay,
yung oh, ano kaya?
Bubble wrap.
It's a ketchup. Yan, oh. Talagang separate box siya. Yung mga yung mga fragile. Mga babasagin na iba. Yung lata. You need to play it later when we're done. Ayan. Tamis-anghang banana sauce. Walang tatalo sa UFC. Pero may putok pa. Ayan, banana ketchup. Banana sauce. Ayan, pang ano to. Ayan, I think that's all we have in this box.
Okay, we got more bubble wrap.
So this is from Sarap Now, from California. Wala dito yung total ko. I think it's 99 something. $99,000 and something. So this is, kaya ko na ng 99 because I want to get that butter. Kaya lang wala, ang binigay lang free is the OB crinkles. We'll see
Yeah.
kung magustuhan ko.
Yes. And one of my favorites is cheese rings.
Cheese rings.
Yeah, one of my favorite foods.
So, meron tayong, so ito lahat yung nabili ko sa $99. $99 na lang, huwag nang isama yung, we'll see $100. So, meron tayong banana sauce.
That was $100?
No, it's all in all. So, meron tayong, you stay here, buddy. You stay here, please. Meron tayong 3 buko pandan. 1 banana ketchup. Meron tayong 5 cheese rings. We have 2 ubi condensed milk. We have 1 Barrio Fiesta, spicy. We have sunflower crackers, mango flavor. We have Sky Flakes, sweet mantequilla flavor. We have Rosquelios. 1. Meron tayong Gulama Mix mango flavor. Isa lang. Ayan, meron tayong black bean. Meron tayong 555 sardines, black bean flavor, 3 cans. 2 cans of 555 escabeche flavor. 1 can of 555 fried biscuit flavor. We have 2 super cute bihon. Ayan, meron tayong 4 crispy fried garlic flavor. Meron tayong 6 crispy fried original flavor. I'm looking forward for fried chicken. Meron tayong 1 box of puto pao. 2 hot cake mix OB flavor. 1 bibingka mix. 1 spaghetti Filipino sauce. Hindi para meron pang cheese ring. Ano yung pala to? Pack of 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Ayan, meron ta 6 pala. And we have 6 Mamacita's Calderita sauce mix. Ayan, meron tayong 6. So, kung magbili kayo ng $99, you can get 1 free. It can be the ubi butter. I was looking forward to that. Kaya lang ubos ata. Wala sila. So, ang pinadala nila is ubi sprinkles. So, hopefully, next time we can get it. Okay. So, that's all. I bought it for $99 something. Malala, I think $99.36. So, all in all is $99.36, I think. That's more or less $100. And if you buy $99, you can get 1 free item. Yung ano nila is very famous is the ubi butter. Kaya ubos na siguro yung sprinkles. I'm going to try this one and I like it. Ayan. This is my first unboxing of, this is my first unboxing of groceries. I was just so excited because these are all Filipino products. So are these Filipino products? Yes. Sometimes the Sky Flakes is from other Asian countries. So this is from Philippines.